अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम सेल बायोलॉजी का एक और प्रैक्टिकल डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जिसका टॉपिक का नेम है परमानेंट माउंट ऑफ एन इंसेक्ट विंग फॉर माइक्रोस्कोपी। इसके अंदर हमें ट्वीजर्स, अल्कोहल, वेस्प और हमारे पास नेल पॉलिश, स्पेसर विंग, डायसेक्शन सीजर्स, यूपेरॉल और माइक्रोस्कोप चाहिए होगा। थ्योरी हम इसकी किस तरह लिखेंगे? द माउंटिंग मीडियम इज द सोल्यूशन इन विच द स्पेसिमेन इज इनक्लोज जनरली अंडर अ कवर ग्लास. It may be liquid, gum or scissors, or resinous soluble in water, alcohol or other solvents. Seal the external atmosphere by non-soluble ring media. The main purpose of the mounting media is to physically protect the specimens. The mounting media bonds specimens, slide and cover slips together with a clear durable film. The medium is important for the image formation as it affects the specimen's retention. Mounting media should ideally have a refractive index as close as possible to that of the fixed tissue, approximately 1.53. As light passed from one medium to another, it changes speed and bends. An example of this is the apparent bending of a stick when placed in a water. Light travels faster in vacuum than in any other media. Light travels more slowly. The refractive index of a media is the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. It is always greater than 1. A mounting media with an refractive index close to that of the fixed tissue will therefore render it transparent, with only the stained tissue elements visible. Mounting media should have following characteristics. Refractive index be as close as possible to that of the glass, that is 1.5. Mounting media should be colorless and transparent. It should not cause stain to diffuse or fade. It should be dry to a non-sticky consistency and harden relatively quickly. It should not shrink back from the edge of the cover slip. It should have no adverse effect on tissue components. It should be resistant to contamination, particularly microorganisms growth. It should set without crystallizing, cracking or shrinking or otherwise deform the material being mounted and not react with leach or induce fading in stains and reaction products. Histochemical hybridization and immunochemical procedures. Finally, once set, the mount should remain stable. Types of mounting media. Two types of mounting media discussed here: resinous and aqueous media. Resinous have hydrophobic, adhesive, organic and non-aqueous form, and aqueous media has hydrophilic and non-adhesive form. Non-aqueous mounting media. These are natural or synthetic resins dissolved in benzene, toluene or xylene and are used when permanent mount is required. In general, adhesive hardens through solvent evaporation and thereby fix the accompanying cover slip to the slide. Natural resinous media examples include Canada balsam, refractive index 1.52 to 1.54, and euperal, refractive index is 1.48. Aqueous mounting media. Aqueous mounting medium are used for mounting reaction sections from distilled water when the stains would be decolorized or removed by alcohol and xylene, as would be the case with most of the fact stains. Sudan methods examples include gelatin method media and gum arabic media. Glycerin jelly refractive index is 1.47 and glycerin to glycerol refractive index is 1.47, etc. Ringing media. Liquid glycerin and gum chloral mount to be ringed around the edge of the cover slip to seal the mountant and prevent escapes loss through the evaporation or oxidation through the contact with air. One can use solid Vaseline and polish ringing media or sealant. Ringing the cover slip. The term ringing originated because round cover slips were initially used and the coating applied in the form of a circle or ring. A ringing iron is needed to spread the solid type of media around the cover slip. Nail polish varnish can be applied with a brush gently. With practice, ringing may be simply, quickly and clearly completed. A liquid preparation sealed well with nail polish could last some months. Now come towards next page. Mounting the specimen. Steps of dry mount preparation. First we took a specimen, wasp wing, etc. Then put it in 95% alcohol with disinfected and dehydrate the specimen. We use a spacer nail polish slide for permanent mount. After this took wasp and used dissection scissors. Separate the wings carefully. In dry mount slides, preparation took a wing to slide and no media is used. After it, covered it with by cover slips and few moments nail polish dry, and then we can see the slide. Steps of mounting the specimen in mounting media. Uperal. In the preparation of mounting media slide, we used Uperal as a mountant. In this slide preparation, put the wing in mounting media, cover it by cover glass. Uperal take time and would dry in 4 to 6 weeks, so wait for it. After drying, put both the slide under the microscope for comparison. Now come towards the next screen. Now examine both the slides and objective of 10x magnification. We can observe both the Uperal media and dry mount slide, and there is no big difference. The difference is only of image quality. Now put the slide under 20x media and we can observe hair and veins of the wings. After it, observe it under 40x and 100x magnification for fine details. Now come towards the figure which we will draw during this practical. This is the figure of the wing of the wasp, or you may take an insect wing for this preparation of the slide. It is a prepared slide wing and I have drawn it here. So you are seeing different parts, margin canals, apical angle, apical margin, and etc., and anal angle, etc. of the page of the wing, forewing, and it is a forewing and a basal cells and a hind wing. So hope so this practical will be interesting for you and it will help you in making your practicals to the best form. Be connected with me for more interesting and examining videos on these practicals. Allah Hafiz.